Is Wayne Pinnock poised to rewrite Jamaican track and field history by breaking James Beckford's legendary long jump indoor national record? But does he have what it takes? Jamaica, the sprinting capital of the world, has dominated global athletics for decades. But now its rising stars like Pinnock are making waves in field events. In this video, we'll dive into Pinnock's meteoric rise, from his Boys and Girls Championships days to becoming a silver medalist at the Olympics and World Championships. We'll explore what it will take for this 24-year-old powerhouse to leap past the 8.40-meter mark, his ambitions to turn silver into gold, and how he's inspiring a new generation of Jamaican athletes. Stick around to uncover if Pinnock is set to redefine greatness and leave an indelible mark on Jamaican sports history. Wayne Pinnock is undoubtedly one of Jamaica's most promising young athletes, having already demonstrated an ability to compete and excel at the highest level in track and field. As of this recording, Pinnock has tied the Jamaican indoor long jump national record of 8.40 meters, first set by James Beckford in 1996. Jamaica is a track and field powerhouse renowned for its rich athletic heritage. Icons like Arthur Wint, Herb McKinley, and George Roden set the foundation, paving the way for greats such as Donald Quarry, Merle Notty, Veronica Campbell-Brown, and of course, Usain Bolt. Jamaica's dominance has earned it the title Sprinting Capital of the World, with a remarkable streak of individual gold medals in the sprints since the 2004 Athens Olympics. However, at the 2024 Paris Olympics, Jamaica witnessed a historic shift. For the first time, the island did not win a single gold medal on the track at a major championship. Instead, 4 of the 6 medals came from field events, signaling a new era in Jamaican athletics. Among these achievements was Wayne Pinnock's silver medal in the long jump, a feat that cemented his place as one of Jamaica's brightest field event stars. Wayne Pinnock's journey to the global stage began at the Boys and Girls Championships, Champs in Jamaica, where he represented Kingston College. At Champs, Pinnock showcased his talent in both the 110-meter hurdles and long jump, quickly becoming a household name in Jamaican athletics. The world got its first glimpse of Pinnock's potential at the 2018 Tampere World Under-20 Championships, where he claimed a bronze medal in the long jump. This promising start earned him a scholarship to the University of Tennessee, where he made an immediate impact. During his single season with Tennessee in 2022, Pinnock won the long jump at both the NCAA Indoor and Outdoor Championships and finished 9th in the long jump final at the Eugene World Championships. In 2023, Pinnock transferred to the University of Arkansas, where he placed 4th at the NCAA Indoor Championships and 2nd at the NCAA Outdoor Championships. Despite narrowly missing the top spot in collegiate events, Pinnock rebounded spectacularly at the 2023 Budapest World Championships, leaping to a personal best of 8.54 meters in the qualifying rounds and securing silver with an 8.50-meter effort in the final. A year later, Pinnock achieved another milestone at the 2024 Paris Olympics, becoming the first Jamaican man since James Beckford's silver in 1996 to win an Olympic medal in the long jump. His consistency and ability to deliver under pressure has solidified his status as one of the premier long jumpers in the world. Pinnock's 2023 indoor season was equally impressive. He leaped 8.40 meters, matching the Jamaican indoor long jump national record set by James Beckford in 1996. Notably, Beckford's record has stood for nearly 3 decades, a testament to its difficulty. However, Pinnock's combination of speed, power, and technique suggests he is well positioned to break the tie. At 24 years old, Pinnock is entering his prime. His signing with Puma, a significant milestone in his career, ensures he has access to top-tier resources as he transitions into his first full season as a professional athlete. This professional leap comes with the expectation that Pinnock will not only surpass Beckford's record, but also contend for gold at future global championships. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. To surpass the 8.40-meter mark and break the record outright, Pinnock will need to refine specific aspects of his technique and training. 1. Perfecting takeoff mechanics. Pinnock's speed on the runway is one of his biggest strengths, but achieving an optimal takeoff angle and consistent board placement is critical. Any slight misstep on the board can result in lost centimeters, so precision will be key. 2. Maximizing hang time. Once airborne, Pinnock will need to focus on controlling his body position to maximize distance. Improvements in his flight mechanics, such as leg alignment and torso posture, could help him gain crucial extra centimeters. 3. Explosive strength and conditioning. Pinnock's training will need to emphasize plyometric exercises and core strength to boost his takeoff power and overall explosiveness. 4. Psychological focus. Competing at this level requires immense mental resilience. Pinnock has shown he can handle the pressure of major events, but breaking a record held by an icon like Beckford will require unwavering confidence. James Beckford, one of Jamaica's most celebrated long jumpers, not only set the indoor record at 8.40 meters, but also holds the outdoor record at 8.62 meters, achieved in 1997. Beckford's achievements were groundbreaking, especially at a time when Jamaican field events received far less attention than sprinting. Pinnock, by comparison, benefits from advancements in sports science, better training facilities, and the experience of competing in a more field event-focused era for Jamaica. Pinnock's rise reflects a broader trend in Jamaican athletics. With 4 of 6 medals at the Paris Olympics coming from field events, the island is diversifying its strengths. Pinnock is joined by talents like Kerry McLeod and Tajay Gale, who are also making waves in the long jump. This shift marks an important evolution in Jamaican athletics. While sprinting remains a cornerstone, field events are becoming a major source of success for the country. Pinnock's potential to break Beckford's record, and perhaps even surpass his outdoor mark, signals that Jamaica's dominance is no longer confined to the track. The big question is, can Pinnock break the record? It's our opinion that it's highly likely that Wayne Pinnock will break the Jamaican indoor long jump national record of 8.40 meters. His progression as an athlete, coupled with his recent successes, suggests that he is on the cusp of achieving this milestone. With the 2024 indoor season ahead and his professional debut looming, Pinnock has the tools, talent, and determination to etch his name in the record books. At 24, Pinnock is only getting started. Breaking this record would not only solidify his place in Jamaican history, but also inspire the next generation of athletes to aim for greatness in field events. Check out this video of Wayne Pinnock's historic silver medal long jump at the 2024 Paris Olympics. What do you think it will take for Pinnock to leap beyond 8.40 meters and set a new Jamaican indoor long jump record? Is it refining his takeoff, perfecting his flight mechanics, or is it just a matter of time, given his incredible momentum? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and share if you believe Wayne has what it takes to surpass James Beckford and become a long jump legend. If you enjoyed this presentation, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and updates from the Caribbean. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Join the conversation in the comments below, and let's keep celebrating the incredible achievements of our Caribbean athletes. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.